What's up? It's Keith Kalfas, and we're going out to eat. Tuesday nights we go out to eat. It's our date night, but tonight is a year's special night because hey, you weren't smiling in the slow-mo clip.
I'm sorry.
What? Front row parking. We're gonna eat us some Red Robin. They seen it coming. Yay, yay. I like this RX 100 Mark IV with a flip-out screen because I can see. Look at her. There she goes. She always pulls this crap. She goes, you want to take the dogs for a walk at the mall? So we can spend time. Which is code for she wants to go to Victoria's Secret while I sit and wait with the dogs. So I was on the Facebook Messenger with Joe Kowalski from ServiceMonster.net last night. And it's official. He's throwing an event in August, which I'll be flying out there to speak, and really excited about it. Unfortunately, it's only specifically for Service Monster contractors. So this YouTube thing has created so many just interesting opportunities, and I love sharing it on the YouTube. No pun intended. Also, you might have seen on Instagram my own live event, Your Marketing ROI Live Workshop, and it's already sold out, but I'll put a link in the description below if you want to learn about more about social media marketing strategies. Really want to do live events, and in the future, throw seminars, live events, which different people can go out to. We can literally have a physical meetup community where we all learn from each other. Live events have changed my life, so what's more cool than throwing your own live events? So now we're gonna leave already? I'm just starting to have fun here. Alright, so we're back home. I was just selling the last couple tickets on Facebook for my live event. I'll just take her car. Man, she's got the seat so far forward. She's sending me up to Tim Hortons to get coffee. I want some coffee. I got some work to do, man. Hey guys, we're at my Marketing ROI Live Workshop right now. And shh. We got the projector on and Eric's doing his part.
But I always monitor the people around me, and see what, oh, here it goes. So mine says 105. This guy down here says 4. This one says 2, 3. I mean, it's not even a question. 90. I was like, oh shit, this guy's catching up. So I emailed last all my past customers and said, hey, can you please write me a review?